Hey guys, please stop throwing your money into the trash with Lanta Belly Fat Shake as lots of people are doing on the internet. Please pay attention to everything I'm going to tell you in this video. What about the Lanta Shakes to add to your favorite meal, losing those stubborn fats quickly while you stay more healthy and full without causing you any bloating or constipation. So here's everything you actually need to know about Lanta Belly Fat Shake before you actually buy this product. So again, watch to the end and stay tuned. So firstly, I recommend you buy this product from their official website, and of course, to help you with that, I've left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, and it will also be the first comment below this video. The Lanta Flat Belly Shake ingredients help the body to lose weight naturally, and its formula is designed to boost your metabolism, increase energy levels, and it also allows you to feel healthier and happier every day. So you might have tried different supplements without results, but the Lanta Belly Flat Shake is quite different because its natural ingredients help thousands of people to lose fat in a very efficient way with no side effects. Have you ever imagined why almost all the inhabitants of Asia are slim and in perfect shape? The manufacturer of the Flat Belly Shake has discovered that boarded secret formula composition made by local inhabitants of a remote Asian island that was used to keep their bodies slim. So how does this Lanta Belly Shake work? Well, the Lanta Belly Shake is helping people to burn deep stubborn fat stores because it is made up of only natural ingredients that will accelerate your metabolism a lot. And it does that by melting the fat burn throughout the day, improving your digestion, and also causing your cravings to fade. It also maintains a healthy digestion, and it increases the reserves of your natural energy. All you have to do to get the best result and get back your sexy shape is to simply mix 1 scoop of the powder in a glass cup of water, or you can add it to your favorite beverage and drink it every morning. It really is so delicious, and it melts fat from your belly, back, thighs, arms, and your face without any side effects. The best thing about the shake is that it's manufactured in the United States and it's FDA approved. So once again, please remember to buy this product from the official website if you're thinking of actually buying the Lanta Belly Shake, and the official website is down in the description of this video and in the first comment. And also, it comes with a 12-month money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not satisfied with the results after using the product, just contact the product manufacturer and ask for your refund. And 100% of your money will be refunded instantly. But of course, remember to be realistic about your results. The supplement is really not going to work overnight. You should give the supplements at least 3 to 6 months to start seeing better results. But I hope this video helps you to make the right decision. Please let me know in the comments down below. Bye.